You are going to love the 2022 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, heated mirrors, wheel locks, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.